If you want to start making money online, $2, $4, $10,000 online per month, and hopefully one day I'll get to $10,000 per month, don't overcomplicate it. Simply start making videos, start making the kinds of videos that you want to make. And really there's a wide range of different niches that you can pick from there, right? Don't overthink it, just jump in. Start messy, start imperfect, because it's through the imperfect process that you're going to learn, that you're going to grow, and eventually you'll have the income that you want by making these videos online. Hey, I'm just an average guy trying to make $100,000 online only using things like Amazon and YouTube, and I'm posting about it every day until I do. And if you watch my short vertical videos, whether on Amazon or TikTok, you can see my progress, how I'm doing that along the way. And you can also see that it's not a quick process. Like, you don't just wake up one day and start making $80, $100, $274 per day by posting videos online. Don't get sucked into the lies or even just the extreme circumstances in which people say that they make this kind of money just overnight. No, for most people, they have to put in the time. They have to, over time, make their videos a little bit better each time, be committed to the process, and eventually they'll get there. I personally have been doing this since 2020. I got my first YouTube channel monetized in 2021, and then I joined the Amazon Influencer Program in 2022. And through all these different means, through these different sources of income, I'm making about $2,000 per month right now. That's the base minimum. Sometimes I make more than $3,000, and sometimes I've even made over $5,000 per month. Now, all of those figures aren't where I want it to be just yet, but that's the point that I'm trying to make. You don't just wake up in the morning and people throw money at you. No, you have to put in the work, build it up over time, and be committed to the process. So here's the process that I went to. First, I simply started a YouTube channel. I posted about things that were unique, things that other people might find fascinating. My daughter has medical complexities, so I showed how we take care of her. And being that that's a very different kind of life, people found that interesting. In fact, that's still my largest channel. It has over 20,000 subscribers. And at one point, that channel itself made over $3,000 through AdSense. It's come down quite a bit since then. Sometimes it makes $400 or $500 per month right now. And a lot of that is simply because I haven't been focusing on it as much. I haven't really wanted to make that kind of content as much lately. And I also realized that that kind of content really doesn't pay a whole lot in terms of per 1,000 views on YouTube, which is why I started this channel, right? Things talking about money on YouTube tend to get much better CPMs. But because I started that first channel, which grew over to 1,000 subscribers in the first 10 months, I was able to prove to Amazon that I had a following and then therefore applied to what they called the Amazon Influencer Program. And it's really that program which for me has been the most beneficial. The Amazon Influencer Program is simply a program in which you can record yourself reviewing various products and post those videos directly to Amazon, and people who are already pretty much ready to make a purchase, watch your video, and then you get a commission when they make that purchase. To get into that program, all Amazon really wants to see is that you have a social media following of some kind that has some engaged followers on it. They don't get super specific in terms of how many, they just want to see that you have an active channel. So step one would be to start a YouTube channel or a TikTok channel or even an Instagram account and post the kind of content that you enjoy, that you can be consistent with, and then other people can also enjoy and find valuable. Once you've done that, if you want to go my route, you also apply to the Amazon Influencer Program. Make videos about products that you love and enjoy, post those to Amazon. And then I personally also made another YouTube channel and post those videos, those product review videos directly to YouTube. That allows me to also funnel some people towards Amazon, and when they make those purchases, once again, I get a commission. Now I'm sharing the route that I went through. Like, you can do the same process through TikTok. In fact, TikTok has their own affiliate program, the TikTok shop, in which you can do all of this instead of just YouTube and Amazon, just do it on TikTok, one platform. I've been trying to experiment with that. I haven't gotten a lot of traction just yet on TikTok. And I've been told by various creators that even though you see a lot of people who say that they're making lots of money on TikTok, that's the vast minority. So it might be easier to go the YouTube and Amazon route. But certainly if you're passionate about TikTok and you already have a following there, certainly TikTok shop might be something you might want to try. Now I'm sharing all this because that's the route that I took. This is what I did. I grew a YouTube channel. I got into the Amazon Influencer Program. And certainly you could try to copy me and try to get those same results that I've gotten. But really think about what it is that you're passionate about. What's in your skill set so that you can gain a following through that, monetize that even on YouTube. And then think about how you can incorporate that with other things on the internet that might be monetizable as well. Maybe it's Amazon through their influencer program or affiliate marketing. Maybe it's Etsy where you can sell products that you've made. Maybe you make a product and sell it through Amazon or through your website. The point is simply think about your specific skills and how you can monetize that in such a way that's going to provide value to other people. Hey, I don't have all of this figured out. I do think that there are certain principles here that you can copy, simply being committed to the process, figuring it out as you go. But I'm just an average guy. I'm not a businessman, but I have learned a few things and I've gotten this far so far. So if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.